Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making rosemary, fenugreek and flaxseed oil for hair growth. So I'll start by introducing the items. First of all, you will need your rosemary leaves, and this is what it looks like inside. And then you also be needing your fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder. Yeah, I used fenugreek powder and this is what it looks like. And then also you'll be needing your flax seed. Yes, flax seed. This is what it looks like also. And so for my career oil of choice, I'll be using olive oil, and then I'll also be using palm kernel oil. This is also good for hair. Yes, and I'll also be using amla hair oil. It's also important, vital for hair growth. I'll be using the Jamaican black castor oil to make this growth oil also. So if start by putting in 2 spoonfuls of your flax seed, and then you go in with 1 spoonful of rosemary, and then you also go in with 1 spoonful of the fenugreek powder, and then you stir to combine them all. After which you then add the carrier oil, which in this case is the olive oil. And then I'll also be adding 2 drops of the palm kernel oil. Trust me guys, this is the game changer in this oil. Palm kernel oil is very vital for hair growth. So now just stir them up properly to combine, and then I'll be heating up this oil on my heater using the double boiling method. So this is my pot on fire. The water is getting heated, and then I place the bowl of the mixture which I have and gently stir. You have to stir to combine properly. So this is what I'll keep on doing until the water is properly boiled. So while the oil is heating up, I'll be listing some benefits of the ingredients used in producing this oil. So fenugreek contains vitamins A, B, C and K, and some certain minerals that help in promoting hair thickness and hair growth. Fenugreek also helps in preventing scalp infections and keep the scalp healthy. The lecithin, which is found in fenugreek, helps to strengthen, moisturize and also hydrate the scalp and the hair. Rosemary leaves contain an anti-inflammatory antioxidant which is beneficial for hair regrowth in case of balding and thinning hair. It also encourages blood circulation, thereby nourishing the scalp and preventing premature graying of the hair. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help to prevent and treat scalp infections. So the water has been heated up for a while, so I turn off my gas, and now I'll just allow the oil to sit in the water while I keep on stirring and stirring so that everything gets mixed up very well. So right now, just going and adding the amla hair oil. I'll be adding 2 drops or 2 capsules of the amla hair oil, and then I'll also be adding my castor oil, and I just added 10 drops of that into the oil, and then I'll start to mix everything up once more. So I'll just go in and stir properly, and then I'll leave this oil to sit here for about 24 hours, and the next morning I'll be coming back to heat it up. So this is the next morning and I'm still stirring it again inside boiling water. So how to know that your ingredients are properly infused will be shown to you in about a minute. So now I've turned off my heater and I'm still stirring once more. And then once you notice that the flaxseed gel has started releasing a slimy details, you know that flaxseed normally have this slimy details when it's boiled for a long period of time. Yes, like what I'm showing you now, you can see very clearly that the fenugreek and the flaxseed have this slimy texture right now. So that is how to know that the ingredients are properly infused into one another. So right now I've removed the oil from the fire and I've allowed it to settle for a while. So I'll be going in and filtering the oil using this bowl and this little filter. If you have cheesecloth or even a wig cap, you can use that to filter it, but I didn't have those at hand, so I decided to use a small filter in order to filter the oil. So I'll just go in and pour it bit by bit, and then I'll use my spoon to press it just so I could get all the oils from this mixture, as you can see me doing right now. Okay, if you watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with friends and family so they can grow healthy, thicker and full natural hair. But just continue pressing, make sure to get all the oil as much as you can from this mixture, and then you can later blend the shaft which was gotten from this oil. Is also good. You can use it as a moisturizer for your hair also, but I won't be doing that. I just need the oil, so I'll just go ahead and filter the oil and get what I need. So right now, as you can see, the oil still has some rosemary leaves and some particles of the fenugreek and flaxseed. So I'll go ahead and filter it once more just so I can get a clean, or just the oil only without the particles. You don't want these particles to be stuck in your hair. So after I'm done doing that, this is what I have. You can see the oil is looking very nice and good. This oil is going to take your hair game to another level. So I just go ahead and store the oil in this empty bottle. This is the bottle where I stored the olive oil before, but I'll just be using it to store this oil. To make this oil last longer, you can go ahead and add your preservative to it so that you can use it for at least 2 weeks. So yes guys, there you have it. Your DIY rosemary, flaxseed and fenugreek oil is ready for you to use. You can use it even as a alternative in your wash day. And also, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me guys. Bye.